He said me lift it up, me lick it down plumb. Lord have mercy, me not go a camp. They say me roll, that me rule long time. He said me lift it up, me lick it down plumb. Lord have mercy, me not go a camp. They say me roll, that me rule long time. Me lick it up, me lift it up, me lick it down plumb. Hold on, hold that, Patra. Patra, Jamaica. We want that daughter, your John, was she a suffer like dead dog. Me a He said me lift it up, me lick it down plumb. Lord have mercy, me not go a camp. They say me roll, that me rule long time. Me lick it up, me lift it up, me lick it down plumb. Hold on, hold that, Patra. Patra, Jamaica. We want that daughter, your John, was she a suffer like dead dog. Me a
like this one, look tight. All of them. One look tight now. Okay, I find a problem now. So, I'm going to tell you who wanna say the engine need one battery. Battery.
Are you sure you know how to do?
One thing, man. I use me at this man. Me a professional in a man.
I think I said an engine need one battery.
A tool. Give me a tool. Wait. Jesus Christ, man, give me your hand. Why? Let's try to make sure I learn at school. I imagine me check up me and say, give me a tool. And you give me a hand. So the engine need one battery. Right? Yeah, man. So, let's see what I'm this here.
Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona wewe Mombali nanga Atali ya mama yake kama naye
Katonda w'amaanyi, Katonda wa kisa akawumbika endoofu.
Aduh, bobo. Wajib faham itu.
All right, thank you.
Aduh, bobo. Wajib faham itu.
Yes, Nashville. Where's I now?
How old
Was
Adam when he get Eve pregnant?
how old was Adam when he get Eve pregnant?
Yes.
Those are skirt. Then that in the Bible? Rotted. Well, me have to ask for help on that one. I will ask them for help on that one. All right, Nashville.
All right.
God have mercy upon us.
No, 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 no. Look at this. You look like you're a couple. You are
Alright, you see right now. Now get ready for touch the road. Go look about some of my business. Seeing? I have one thing to tell you now. Me never write no application for no work up at customs. So me don't know how to clear nothing. Not even my name. Me don't know how to clear. So you see anything you want to hear about me, I want to hold on funny and deal with me certain way. That's on you. Because only one somebody may go fret pan if they cut me off, and that a God. If you don't believe me, ask him. One of my nose. I'm out.
no, no, no.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Things say they want.
Kasongo yeye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Songa libala oh yeye Kasongo mbona wewe Mombali nanga
Échale.
Remember them thing, yeah? Remember them thing, yeah? Long time I not see them. Yeah? So one or two people will come by.
I want problems always. What be this?
Ya Allah. Pasti nikmat rasanya. Ya Allah.
People morning, look here. Look for me setting. Me in the room, you know, I spread out the bed and me I wonder what that in my house. Look where Swiss there. You tell me if this a goat and not somebody. Look Swiss in my little living room, yeah, so. For me setting. Look there. Look for me setting them. Swiss I come from all the way over here, so. Right? And in see him there. See him there. This little boy move like him a human being. Swiss come down. Swiss come out from a setting. Swiss come out of my setting. Watch him. Watch him. Look there. Koya, look there. Look where my pop on my floor.
Oh God, what?
Eita!
E agora?
Quebrou.
The paper with this, you know, white flour, me I wash out, you know, get out the last little white out tight. Yeah, man, you see I look can't spoil, man. Flour can't spoil. All you hear them about flour spoil. See the flour can't spoil. It can't spoil. The water, I'm throwing a 1 pot of water. I go and soak in it and wash out it. So 2 pounds of flour. This time I get out tight. So I'm going to show you how it look when I finish with it, when I'm done and fry it. I'm going to show you how it look. That's how it look, you know. Alright. This is it. See that man, how it close, man. Well, scrub out it, because we don't want no white left in there, we don't want no starch in there, we don't want no gum in there. You know. You get it clean and purified, see it there now. You see it? No white water now run out tight. See it there. You see it? I am know when you need flour, you can take up on your hand. Look out there. Not taking no the on your hand, you know. See it? Can't take. Can't take. No taking. Alright, like that.
Then at the back of the class, it means that you're done. Because the front of the class are for the brighters. So if the brighters, them they're the front of the class, why your wisdom teeth they're the back of your mouth? Again.
No.
Look at that. You look like
You are a couple. You are joking.
Yes, couple of friends. Emotional, damn it. See the woman. If you not see the woman, you die fast. Viewers. Emotional, damn it. See the woman. If you not see the woman, you die fast. Viewers. Emotional, damn it.
If you ever date a woman who born January or February, you no problem. Are the most miserablest woman that you can find on God's planet. And a moody, God Almighty, son, if you find yourself a woman that is born January, February, you need to seek the Lord.
Wow, you're tired like a dog. Big up all the people who vote for the government and get their farmer card. You understand? From 2016. Me vote, dip my finger in the ink, my 5 finger, and me 10 toe in the ink. No, me can't get the farmer card. What can kill me in Jamaica? Me have to start plant callaloo pumpkin and peas when I back of my yard. And that's the only farm work me I do. Right, I have a little farm right at the back of my yard. So any girl want to come get some free peas, pumpkin, yam, and sweet potato, who come check me. Why?